The B-21 Raider continues to be the model program for the Air Force, with 6 new bombers currently in production and part of the software validated through digital testing. This incredible new bomber is likely to fly this year in September. In 2021, the Secretary of the Air Force stated that 5 B-21 aircraft were in the production stage. The development of the B-21 has been aided by the Air Force's acceptance of digital technology to speed up the process. This is not the first time digital engineering techniques have played a part in the modernization of the Air Force's bomber fleet. Late last year, Rolls-Royce North America President and CEO Tom Bell said the company had digitally built a B-52 with the company's F-130 engine to demonstrate its superiority and win a contract for a commercial B-52 engine replacement program. Digital technology has also been integrated into maintenance of the upcoming B-21 aircraft. Stealth aircraft have historically been difficult to maintain. The B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, or its predecessor to the B-21, is difficult to detect but requires a climate-controlled hangar to maintain its stealth properties. However, that will change with the B-21. Northrop Grumman officials previously described the B-21 as a significant improvement over the B-2 in terms of airworthiness and performance, as well as employing a stealth coating that would be revolutionary in terms of maintenance, although it is not yet ready for public disclosure. This year, we will likely see the unveiling of the newest, darkest, and most advanced strategic bomber the United States has ever seen. As a result, 2022 will be one of the most significant years for the United States Air Force in decades. The B-21 bomber program has earned high marks in demonstrating continued strike capability and performance through flight tests and digital experiments, as well as modeling and simulation. The B-21 is poised to answer an unprecedented era of stealth and legality for the Air Force's bomber fleet. However, when talking about developing a new stealth bomber, it is natural to ask about the maintainability of the advanced materials and coatings used for the Raider, given the well-documented challenges associated with first-generation stealth aircraft such as the B-2 or F-170 attack aircraft. Stealth aircraft have always had challenges regarding maintenance, as they require specialized personnel, equipment, materials, and facilities. The B-21 Raider will not require the same level of resources. These aircraft use more durable coatings and treatments in maintenance facilities that are less expensive to build and maintain. In addition, early use of digital design and modeling or simulation capabilities for the B-21 systems and structures has been applied in maintenance, resulting in more robust and ready-to-fly aircraft every day. The digital capabilities originally developed by Northrop Grumman for manufacturing offer a wide range of maintenance and sustainability possibilities, and the company is leveraging this technology in partnership with the Air Force to prepare the B-21 Raider for operation and maintenance. For example, Northrop Grumman's highly immersive virtual environment enables engineers and maintenance personnel to view digital presentations of the B-21 and ensure their designs are producible during the manufacturing process and help identify and address maintenance issues. The B-21 Raider will be part of a larger family of conventional long-range strike systems, including intelligence, surveillance, electronic barrier, communications, and other capabilities. The aircraft will be able to carry a variety of long-range and direct attack weapons. The B-21 was designed with an open systems architecture to reduce integration risks and allow for competition in future modernization efforts to allow the aircraft to evolve according to changing threat environments. The B-21 Raider was named in honor of the Doolittle Raiders, U.S. Air Force soldiers best known for their surprise attack on Japan during World War II on April 18, 1942, which forced Japan to call in combat troops for internal defense and boosted morale among the Japanese, American citizens, and U.S. allies abroad. The B-21 designation recognizes the Raider as the first bomber of the 21st century. The B-21 Raider bomber program continues to demonstrate excellent advances in advanced strike capability and performance through flight tests and digital experiments, as well as modeling and simulation. The B-21 is poised to usher in an unprecedented new era of stealth advantage and legitimacy for the Air Force's bomber fleet. However, in developing a new stealth bomber, it is reasonable to doubt the maintainability of the advanced materials and coatings used in these Raider aircraft, given the well-documented challenges in first-generation stealth aircraft such as the B-2 Spirit and F-170 attack aircraft. Stealth aircraft always face challenges in maintenance because they require special personnel, specific equipment, special materials, and the right facilities. However, the B-21 Raider will not require the same level of resources as its predecessor. These aircraft use more durable coatings and treatments and maintenance facilities that are less expensive to build and maintain. In addition, early use of digital design and modeling or simulation capabilities for the B-21 systems and structures has been implemented in the maintenance of this aircraft, resulting in a more robust and ready-to-fly aircraft every day. Northrop Grumman, as the manufacturer of the B-21, has developed digital capabilities that are very useful in terms of manufacturing and maintenance of this aircraft. One example of this capability is Northrop Grumman's highly immersive virtual environments. This environment allows engineers and maintenance personnel to conduct digital reviews of the B-21 Raider, ensure that designs are produced properly during the manufacturing process, and help identify and address any maintenance issues that may occur. The B-21 Raider will be part of a larger family of conventional long-range strike systems. As well as being a bomber, the B-21 will also have intelligence, surveillance, electronic barrier, communications, and other capabilities. The aircraft will also have the ability to carry a variety of long-range weapons and direct attack weapons. In its design, the B-21 is designed with an open systems architecture to reduce integration risks and enable competition in future modernization efforts. It is intended that this aircraft can develop and adapt to changes in the threat environment that occur over time. The naming B-21 Raider, in honor of the Doolittle Raiders, also recognizes the U.S. Air Force soldiers who made a surprise attack on Japan during World War II in 1942. This attack forced the Japanese to recall their combat troops for deep defense. Country, as well as boosting morale among Americans and U.S. allies around the world. With all its capabilities and innovations, the B-21 Raider is expected to become one of the most sophisticated, efficient, and effective strategic bombers owned by the United States Air Force. This aircraft is designed to face future challenges and will become an important asset in maintaining the security and strength of the country's defense. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click the like, comment button, and continue to support this channel by subscribing. We will have another video for you soon.